In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock in a financial period in Xero. Locking a period is a simple but essential control that prevents backdated changes once your accounts for a month or year are finalized. It helps keep your reports consistent, protects reconciled transactions, and gives you confidence that what you see today will still be true tomorrow. Start from your Xero dashboard. First, open the accounting menu. This is where you manage your core financial settings and ledgers. From there, choose Accounting Settings. This takes you to the area where organization-wide accounting preferences are stored. Next, select Financial Settings. This page includes the options you need to secure past periods once you've completed your close. On the Financial Settings page, look for the Lock Date section. This is where you decide who can make changes to transactions dated on or before a certain day. You'll see two choices. The first option is to stop all users, except advisors, from making changes on and before the date you select. This is a great choice if you want to keep the period protected but still allow your accountant or advisor to post essential adjustments. With this setting, auto-reconcile continues to run, so bank rules and matches can still process while general edits remain blocked for most users. The second option is stricter. Stop all users from making changes on and before the selected date. Choose this when you want a complete lock with no exceptions, typically after your accounts are signed off and you do not expect any further adjustments. Once you've chosen the option that suits your workflow, enter the lock date. Pick the last day of the period you're closing, such as the final day of the month or year. Before you set it, make sure your reconciliations, invoices, bills, journals, and reports for that period look the way you want. Remember, the lock applies to any transaction dated on or before the date you enter, so choose carefully. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. Xero will apply the lock immediately based on your chosen date and option. From this point on, anyone restricted by your selection won't be able to edit or create transactions dated within the locked period. If you ever need to make a permitted adjustment later, you can return to this same area, revise your choice or the date, and save again. That's it. You've successfully locked a financial period in Xero, safeguarding your historical results and keeping your reporting clean and reliable.